Hello, my name is Lady Perez. I am a student of foreign language with emphasis in English. I am in my second semester. I live in Ucranian Euro Santander. Uh, Unit 1, Task 1, Reflecting upon English Language Awareness. What is purpose of the course? The course learning purpose is to reinforce student foreign language, linguistics, sociolinguistics, and pragmatic competence through the accomplishment, the oral production, thus in given set of real-time interaction. How many learning outcomes can you find in the syllabus? Learning outcome one express friendly and spontaneously about different cultures such as of social or academic purpose. Two, provide a accurate spoken argument to convince a counterpart about a specific point of view regarding a controversial issue. Three, understand STEM speech even when it's not clearly structured and when relationships are only implied and not single explicitly. Four, present clear, detailed description of complex subjects, developing particular points and drawing often an appropriate conclusion. What are synchronous in-narration activities? These activities are based on the interaction between the student and the tutor through the space specific for this in order to obtain results when we aim to spread ideas and opinions in the second language. 4. How many activities does the course have? The learning strategy is organized in 6 tasks. Task 1 reflecting upon English language awareness. Task 2 partaking in a weekly mandatory encounters. Task 3 debating upon controversial issues. Task 4 speaking part of Cambridge C1 Advanced. Task 5 standardized test listening quiz. Task 6 deliberating speech through a web conference system. 5. With activities in the course imply real-time interaction, debating about conversion issues, delivery a speech through a conference system. 6. Summarize with your own words the core rule and conditional to be part of the established space for the improvement of the English level in order to fulfill the activities to complement the required level for the course and participate actively in all the tasks mentioned above. Is your institutional email working properly? Yes, it is working properly. Step 2. Reflection upon English language awareness. Since I was very young, I was very interested in learning English because I found it an interesting language and I wanted to get to know other cultures. Learning two languages from an early age makes communicate easier learning is more natural and the second language is internalized innately, but I didn't have that opportunity. I plan to prepare myself more and more to be an excellent professional, teaching every day and giving the best of my knowledge to every student I had to ease. In this way, I will make them part of my future. Uh, Not why speaking English is necessary and many tools help to improve this language to facilitate improve the language to facilitate a communication between people from different parts of the world.